Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we react to music. Always try to break down a malicious, get the message behind the song, give positive feedback, we inspire others. Basically, we post on talk design content. Barcelona, another day, another reaction. There we go. So, as I'm shooting this, we are currently sitting on 492 subscribers. And look, man, 400 is a lot of people. 92, say like 500, that's half a thousand. There's a lot of people. That is a lot of people. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for being here. So today we are reacting to what are we reacting to? Namhlanje? I didn't fully download this video. But today we are reacting to Isipho Samakrestu Ngomoya Kathixo. That is what we are reacting to today. Yep. Njengoba that's what we are reacting to. Isipho Samakrestu Ngomoya Kathixo. So I don't know what to expect. As mean, I just choose, download, and I'm like I'm reacting. So without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Oh, I think this I think it's the first time reacted to Isipho Samakrestu. Yeah, I don't think I have. Yeah, I think it's the first time. So let's get it. Ash, cameraman ukude naye. Cameraman ukude man. They boom. What's the word? Methodist phakathi. Because like you hear how they sing, they just flow. Yabo? Like yahanjwa nje so kuthi kuthi kuthi. I understand. They have that man. They have Methodist phakathi man. They have Methodist phakathi. Then as the cameraman ukude naye. Angizwa nesifutho, angizwa lutho. And isifutho siyazwakala, isifutho sikhona well like there's some reason isifutho ngiyasizwa. Hayi cameraman ukude akuzwakali. Sile. But dog, noma bakude ne, you cannot deny. You cannot deny those voices, bro. Number one, ngilalele the way alto is just there. Dog, huge. Like it's there. Yeah, I understand. Like I said, sometimes makashutele kude ne, you it may sound as if like was cool because now the person is far. But even when you listen to them, yeah, you can tell. You can tell. Look, the voices are there. I understand. So I'm like, yo, first part. audible ngiyayizwa, itena ngiyayizwa nayo. Hawu, nice and clear. Nesifutho naso ngiyasizwa. Ne-bass. They are really compact. They're really here and they doing it. And please, Dayo, write the lyrics. Anginizwa kahle. Umoya kaThixo, something, something. But for real, bro. Like, you listen to them. Despite that one, if we got the angle a little bit low, I'm willing to bet it would have been nice and clear because, bro, the whole choir, yes, wakali bass you are easy, ten you are easy, alto you are easy. Like, you can hear all of them. Thing is, they're far. The cameraman is far. So I'm like, I wonder if you can get that angle. You gotta put abakran. Uzothi nalo muntu oshoot. Uzothi nalo muntu oshutela ubeke nefone esimic-ini. Eyi. Uzothi nomuntu ubeke. But number one, man, structure sub is just nice, plain and simple. It's everyone at the same time. You understand? That's why I need to, bro. Yes, they are far, but this foot you are seeing, it base you are using, it turn you are using, the out you are. You understand that they are literally audible. Now my question becomes, now I have two questions, Uguti. If cameramen are good, it's either they are singing soft or this person will be a shooter had their hand on the microphone. Because for me, I always say ngifuna ukuzwa ngile. That's just me. Ngifuna ukuzwa ngikude ukuthi yeah, ngimangena ngize ngithi hey, who that is? That's me. I understand, but I haven't reacted to more videos as a is pure Sabacrest. I am so sorry. I'm about to have a very long day today. So yeah, I did not oh no, anyway, I did not what? Okay, yeah, I haven't reacted to more videos as those people Summer Crest, so I will make sure that I do. So that's what I yeah, understand because I mean, can't really impugane bagcwele zibuyile. But I'd rather deal with this with Makhaza. So yo, in the favorite way of Mr. I'm sending out.